Hi everyone, I'm Aaliyah18 Designs and I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I have a very special guest with me, my younger sister, Alyssa. Hi. And today we are going to go ahead and do a Halloween themed Dollar Tree haul. So for this video we went ahead and went to the dollar store and we bought a lot of Halloween and fall items to do some decorations for my house. We bought some stuff to do a nice centerpiece for the table and a nice centerpiece for my kitchen counter, or my kitchen island over there. And then my sister went ahead and she bought some pieces for her room, and so we're gonna go ahead and assemble those together and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so we have all our bags right here in front of us, and we're going to go ahead and show you guys what we have picked out from the dollar store. I'm going to go ahead and start off with this first bag right here. So this is going to be for my island in my kitchen, and I got this really cute spider web looking bowl. It's like a candy bowl. Yeah, like a candy bowl. And then I got some of these really cute ornaments. And then I went ahead and got these cute little lanterns. They have little lights at the bottom, so you just take out the little tab and they light up. And I bought some of these cute little lights right here. I'm not sure if I was supposed to provide the batteries for this, but let's hope not. Put it together. Okay, so this was for my first bag. So like I said, this is going to be, and I'll show you guys later how I'm going to assemble this together. But this is the first one. For my dining room table, it's going to be more of a little bit of fall, so I could save it around for Thanksgiving. And so I got this nice gold tray. And plastic. I think you just wanted to do that for your nails, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay. And then I went ahead and got some of these and really, really pretty flowers. Or, I don't know what these are, but these little balls. Oh, berries. It says they're berries. Okay, I got some berries. Some leaves and some cute flowers and then some sparkly branches. And I got a little vase for it. It's a cute yellow vase. Okay, and then I got these little cute orange pumpkins that we're going to go ahead and put into that vase with the flowers. And then from the side, I went ahead and got these cute little candles. Pumpkin spice and just says candle. You just have to cut. It says boogie. No, that's how you say candle in another language. Bougie. I thought because it's green. It says the same thing. Because it's green, it's a boogie. And I went ahead and bought some of these cute decorative pumpkins. Ooh. Cute decorative pumpkins to put like on the side. Or you'll see what I do. They light up too. They have little lights at the bottom. So cute. And for $1. And then my sister is going to go ahead and introduce her items that she's going to be using to decorate her room. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and show you guys us assembling the pieces and making them all really pretty. Okay, so similarly to Aaliyah's fall with her flowers and stuff, I decided to go the spooky route and I decided to do a Halloween flower vase centerpiece. This was actually not in the Halloween section. I actually just found it in the regular glass section, but it's so cute. It has these little like droplets. Yeah. Can't really see them, but it's purple and goes with everything else. And so I got these cute little flowers. They have little eyeballs inside and they have little spiders inside as well. So just that. And then I got them in black too. And then I got these spiders, these big spiders. They're purple and black, so they go with the theme. And I'm gonna like put them inside to make it more spooky. You guys, she likes Halloween. Like, it's my favorite holiday. It's her favorite, so you could tell she's going all out. I have like mine's all, there's a little bit of lightness, complete darkness. And then I also got the lanterns as well that Aaliyah got. And then the whole candy bowl thing was actually my idea.
shouldn't give me credit.
Oh my gosh.
But I got the same stuff to do, the candy bowl with bulbs.
She helped me out a lot with picking that stuff out.
Because I know spooky.
She does. I mean, if you guys could tell, like I said, like I have some like light pieces, like my boogie candles, and she has, hers is all dark.
So I also got this.
Oh.
It's just like, this was just in the cup section, but I'm going to pair it with this purple candle that I got because I love candles, and then it goes with the whole purple flower vase thing.
It does.
And it fit perfectly in there, so there we go. I also got these little shot glasses. They're like little skeletons holding them, and they're so cute. I got another pack of this, so I got 8 of them.
Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and switch over, and we're gonna go show you how we're gonna assemble everything, and then we'll show you it all set up as well. Okay, so we'll be right back. So in this scene right here, my sister and I, we are assembling the centerpieces together. Like I said, this one's gonna go on my island in my kitchen, and the one she's making is going to go inside of her room. The awesome part about going to the Dollar Tree and buying some of these really cute decorations was that we didn't spend that much money on them, and we still came out with some really nice centerpieces. As you can see, these centerpieces are coming out really just so cute. We do apologize for this scene right here. The camera was a little bit not in the best angle, so we tried our best to go ahead and capture the floral centerpieces that we put together. They did end up coming out really pretty, and in the end, you know, we have the final scenes of it all put together, and you guys will be able to see the bouquets a little bit better. Like I had said previously, this idea concept right here is just so perfect because it is both gives that nice Halloween look, and at the same time it gives a really nice fall look, so I can go ahead and keep it up during Thanksgiving. I hope you guys go ahead and try out these looks, and go ahead and give Dollar Tree go ahead and try out Dollar Tree. They have some really great stuff. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys really enjoyed to get to meet my sister. It's so fun doing videos with her. I'm definitely going to do more in the future. And if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And go ahead and leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more of these videos. You might just see more anyways because Halloween is coming up, and we love Halloween as sisters. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you guys can keep updated with all of my new videos going to be coming out. Okay, you guys, and go ahead and also check out my TikTok channel. It's actually pretty cool. I just did a video and I was Miss Snow White. I went ahead and made my own Snow White bow. And if you guys want me to go ahead and do a video on to show you how to make Disney bows for Disney princesses, I'll go ahead and do that too. But go ahead and check it out. I hope you guys like it. Please go give it a like and a follow over there as well at Aaliyah18. That is my TikTok name. Okay, and we will go ahead and see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.